Okay, here we have a Ford Mondeo 2015. However, that applies to most of the cars, especially with the manual gearboxes. When you release the clutch and if you hear some clicking noise coming, especially from passenger side to the obviously English vehicles, right-hand drives, most likely is a drive shaft joints. Now, what's happening here is this joint was broken. When I put the gearbox out, there is pieces of bearings inside, and it's not very expensive part, to be perfectly fair. It worth a check, because if this one snaps while you drive on a high speed, then you might be in trouble. But yeah, any clicking noise when you start driving, let's say between gears or first gear, whatever, this would be most likely the issue. Thanks for watching, and bye.